Hello friends, today I am going to show you Transcend hard disk enclosure kit. This kit is usually very helpful if you upgrade your laptop or desktop hard drive to a solid state drive or M2 SATA drive. So I have got here a SATA drive here. This is a laptop hard disk. I have recently updated my laptop hard disk to a solid state drive, and I don't want to waste this drive since this has a 1 TB of space in here, and I can use this enclosure and make this drive as external hard drive. So let me open this up friends, and I'll show you what we get here in this enclosure kit. So here we go friends. I need to open this up. Okay. Okay, I got it. I need to open this up like this. So here we go. So here we get the hard drive enclosure. This is USB 3.0 support. So we get a screwdriver that you can use it to install this, and as a data cable. So we need to open this up too. Okay. We get the usual USB 3.0 to USB 3.0 on the hard drive connection. We get some warranty cards as well. Here it is mentioned of 2 years of warranty by Transcend. It is a worldwide warranty, clearly mentioned here. You can see here worldwide warranty 2 years. So here are some external drives, other magazines, and here is the quick installation guide. And we get 3 screws here, and we get here. This is an enclosure that we use to, if you have a space, like if your hard drive is slimmer than usual, like normal hard drives are 7 mm, if it is slimmer than that, then you can use this to space match it and make it thicker. So I will install now the hard drive in this enclosure, and I'll show you how it is done. At first we have to remove this rubber enclosure. So it has a nice tab here, like here, as you can see here. So this gets fixed up here. So if you pull it like this, then it will not come up. So you need to pull it like this, and you can push it from here. Once you get it off, it is you will feel like it is tight, but it comes off easily. So here we go, it is off. So now we don't have the screws here. So as you can see here, we have 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. So you just need to lift it up like that. It will go up. Yes, it opens up like this. Yes, as you can see here, I'm trying to clear it out. Yes, it opens up like this. Okay, we can put this aside. As you can see here, it is already, they have given a shock absorber, like your hard disk will be safe inside here. So then we need to pull this out. Be very careful about this, because we have the hard disk connector here. We need to get this connector out of here. Okay, this is out. So this is the connection that we will be putting inside the hard drive. Okay, where did I put my hard drive here? Okay, I get it. Okay, this is the hard drive, and this is the connector. It goes like this. One thing I would like to share with you friends, that we have a button here. Okay, so we have a button here. So do remember, this should be upright and up towards the up. So now I need to push this inside here. So simply you need to, if you need a spacer, like when you put it inside you will feel it. If you need a spacer, then you need to, like, I think I don't need a spacer. Let me put this inside, friends. As you can see here, friends, I pushed it, the hard disk, inside this enclosure. So here you need to put it first, because you need to check whether it is exactly to the required thickness, because I have the correct thickness, so I don't need to use this spacer, or else we need to use this spacer here. So it has two stickering tabs here. You can just pull it off and press it against it. Okay, so we don't need that. So now I got to install this to it, because I just checked it whether it will go here or not. First I need to again remove it up. Now I will remove it in front of you. It is very easy, as you can see here. So now we will connect this. Okay, it is connected now. And first you need to push this side here. So first, very carefully, because it is a very sophisticated part of the external hard drive kit. Without that it won't work. So it takes a bit time, but I think we will be able to do it. Okay. So this side is done and this side is done. I need to put this inside. Yes, it is done. Now you can see here it is inserted correctly. As I told you, this button will be on this upright side. We do have the cutout for this connector. Now after installing this correctly, we need to open the 3 screws that we had. Yeah, this is the 3 screws. We need to get this out. Okay, so I will be getting the screws out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 screws here. So after this, we need to put this hard disk inside this casing. So now we will align this rubber enclosure with this lower enclosure here. As you can see here, we need to put this correctly here. Okay, and push it slightly. Don't rush yourself. Now we will put this one on top of it. So here we go. I think we have some moment here. Okay, locking here. There are 2 click locks here, and it is already done. Do check this button is working or not. It is okay. Now we will install 3 screws and we are good to go. Okay, let me check this out. I dropped the screw 1 second and I got it back. Now, as you can see here, it is already done. This is a good thing that you get from the Transcend. I have already used this product earlier, but I didn't thought to make about this video earlier. But I found out that since it is a good product, I should share this idea with you, because we do, a lot of people upgrade their hard drives and they lose out their datas and all. And I will show you now. I will connect this. Just the last step is you need to put this rubber casing inside this here, and do remember the Transcend logo is on the upright side, the button side. Okay, the button side. So now I am pushing it inside. It is a bit tight, but it is good thing if the product has a tighter connection here with the, because there are, as you saw, the whole dismantling and assembling. This is one rubber protector and another one is wrapped around the hard drive. so you don't worry if your hard drives drop like this or anything. Okay, so now I need to switch on my computer, and I'll show you, and I'll connect this with this PC, and I'll show you how it works. So as you can see here, my computer is on now, and what happened? Okay, it is on now. So I will put in my key, like I'll put in my pin and switch it on. We will open this cable here. Just 1 second. I need to open this cable. So this side goes here, just like this. Okay, and this is the first boot of this drive. Okay, I'm connecting it. Sorry, I dropped it. I keep dropping things today, I don't know why. So here we go. I'll show you the light glow and everything here. Okay, you can see here, this is there is a light glowing here. Okay, so now I'll show you how it appears on the computer. Okay, let me bring you with me. Okay, it has connected. I think I have 3 partitions earlier, so it might be having, okay, it has gone to 3 partitions here, G, H, I. So I do have my old datas, like that I had on my C drive. I do have the other datas like I had on the D drive, and also I have the data that I have on the D drive. So since it was partitioned with 3 drives earlier, as you can see, I have the last 3 drives here. The G, H and I is the last 3 drives, and this C, D, E is my solid state drive that I've made now. I can show you by exiting this drive and here. Okay, we go here, and as you can see here, exit storage at Transcend. So these 3 will go away now. So that's all, my friends. This is a very nice thing I found out. If you have a hard drive lying around and you think that you can use it as external drive, whether it may be 1 TB or 500 GB or 2 TB, or it may be a solid state drive, it doesn't matter, you can use it, because this enclosure can be used in both, like in solid state drive and hard disk drive. Also in this enclosure I have used the solid state hybrid drive that is called as SSHD. So we know now that it also supports SSHD here. So it is a USB 3.1 version. Okay, so that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. I will happy to be replying you. Thank you. Bye bye.